did she cry? A lot. How many chances she done gave you? Fuck around with these thighs. Every day that I'm alive, I'ma ride with this stick.
Hey guys.
What up, babes? Another video. Finally got her back. So she's gonna hook it up. This is gonna be a little late. So yeah, it's late.
It's a late video.
It's a late video, but
because I need to help him edit. And yeah, you guys should check out my channel. I made a new intro and outro, and they're pretty good.
Yeah.
We went to the gas station and got some chips.
I got some beef jerky because
And a Powerade.
I'm dieting, and plus I ate a big meal. Not a chicken and rice. And I had a Monster. But I'm glad to have it back, man. Only for one day. Just drove all the way over here, hour and a half. And then we gotta do some stuff tomorrow. And then I gotta bring her back Wednesday. But it's alright. It's cool. Anytime with my daughter, it's good. Whether it's an hour, whether it's a minute, whether it's a day, a night. Cool.
Okay. We're in Fresno still because I just got picked up. Anything else? See you guys.
It's been a long weekend, man. I had a rough weekend this weekend at work. I only work weekends, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, 10-hour days. And then I'm off for 4 days, so which I love my job. And I get paid good. But it was a rough week. But you know what? This week, it's gonna be a good one. Relax. Got a bunch of shit going on this week too. I got a lot of driving, a lot of traveling to do this week. And but other than that, you know, it's gonna be cool. You know, anytime spending the time with this one right here, it's a good week. But yeah.
Can I tell them where we're going tomorrow?
It's a surprise. Keep it as a surprise.
Okay.
But so yeah. And try to upload at least every week or every 2 weeks. I tried to upload the other day, but yeah, I didn't know how. So she's gonna hook it up right now, and hopefully it turns out good. Hope you guys like, and
Subscribe. Actually, let me do this. Before this video even starts, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment, and share so other people can see the video. Amazing video. And yeah, today is like any other video like we do, like just like, you know,
just bullshitting, talking.
if you want more videos or different videos, make sure to comment them down below.
Hey.
Okay, so it's me because it's driving. So it's just that's so annoying, but fine. I'm gonna put it right there. Jesus. Sorry guys, I cannot set up this camera because I can't. It's like so hard because it's this tiny little car, and I can't like set it up anywhere else. It will fall, but you know we just found this little spot, so it doesn't matter. Anyways, I'm gonna eat my chips. Oh my god. You know what? If I just like put something right there, you know, who cares? You might only see my mouth, a little bit of my eyes, but that's fine. Oh my god, that like sun's like really shiny. What do you want to talk about? Hello?
Huh?
I said.
Oh, I thought you were gonna try to put it over there.
That's what I was trying to do. Okay, we're setting it up now because I don't see him, but you can see him, so it's totally fine. Now we're gonna talk, we're gonna eat.
Enjoy the ride. We got about an hour and a half drive, and this freaking traffic is like, Jesus, man. It's gonna take like 2 hours to get back home.
But obviously we're not going to record for 2 hours.
So hopefully it gets better.
New music radios. That was French Montana City Girls. It's called Wiglets. What up, Bunches over there? DJ Burns. Rush Hour Mix. Happy Monday. Happy Monday, bro. We're back at it. Back at it again. We're going to talk about our weekend, what we did. Weekend recap coming up in 10 minutes. All right, let's get back into it. It's Rush Hour B95.
My mom was paying me $15 to take care of the baby for 5 days. And Nia. And then the other day she's like, I'm gonna pay you $15 now. And I was like, okay. So now she's paying me $15.
A week.
I'm gonna save it right now.
Everything's on there. Ever. Tell me, when was the first and last time you bought me something? Like a gift to say, Daddy, here, someone I bought this for you, Daddy. When?
Me.
Oh, okay. That's what I'm gonna tell you when you want something. I'm gonna be like, oh, you got the best dad. That's what I'm gonna tell you. Why should I buy you anything if you got me? Right?
You have everything.
Oh, that's why it's, huh?
You have everything.
I don't have everything. Nobody has everything. I could always use something. Oh, that's funny. Oh, and it's supposed to be a good one. Now, let's go with a damn wreck. Now, let's punch it.
No, I'm just gonna save it. And since I really want something, you know.
Did you, and how's your ear pods or ear?
They're good.
Yeah. They're the same as Sally's, huh? Same shit. Just because hers are Apple. That's it. Other than that, they're the same thing. No difference at all. There's no difference. I'd rather deal with the hot than the cold right now. I don't know because I'm getting older, but yeah, fucking hot. I mean the cold. I used to like the winter a lot. I mean I still like the winter during the holidays, like November, like October, November, December, even like the first week of January after that. All right. In my truck, there's a lot of more like space to put everything. Truck, yeah. I gotta buy new tires for it.
I'm running a truck or a car.
I can't drive it. I have to go do a oil change on the truck. And we went to Vegas in the car, so it's not even like, and it wasn't even that that bad, was it? It wasn't that bad. Yeah, it's here's closer. Like 3 hours. Yes,
Is the post open?
it's because they don't get in it only until you get. I think Alexa got it in once, but to go anywhere like out of town or whatever, like, you have to go. Not that they don't. Especially Beatriz, like I don't know. Like if you don't went to Knox tomorrow with us, they
You just said where you're going.
Okay, just edit that out. You edit that out? Okay, ya, porque si no, I'm gonna store it, you know, cut it and then just start editing it.
Hey guys,
Alright, peace.
we'll see you guys like when we get home. You know, that's it.
Peace.
Hold on. I got a new thumbnail.
We're back.
Hold on.
Really getting good at this.
Hey guys, see you later.
She cried a lot. How many chances she done gave you? Fuck around with these thighs.